So welcome to the closet. Thanks for taking the time to look at this video. I hope that we can build a collection together. Instagrammers, YouTubers, welcome. Thanks for coming over here to the closet. My name is Cindy and I am the creator of the closet. And in today's video, we have some blings available. Everybody likes blings and shiny things, right? So please view the video, see if there's anything you like, and comment if there's anything that you like, and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more things that we have available at the closet. So let's link.
Check my chest, my breath right quick. He ain't never seen it in a dress like this. He ain't never even been impressed like this. Probably why I got
then let me run around and put your car on cruise and lay back, cause it's summertime.
So we having a summertime sale, and we got the men t-shirts in all sizes, small, medium, and large. So please free.